Well, hello there, people. I'm back again with another video inspiring you again on trading once more. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to it and like this video because I'm going to take you from a novice to a ninja when it comes to trading. I'm going to share with you on this channel every tip and secret I have learned over the years. I have perused hundreds of trading books, mastering the art of trading. And I can tell you that here we're going to have an exciting journey. So just smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's go. Okay, I'm back again with my favorite instrument, volatility 25 on deriv, on my favorite time frame, the 5-minute time frame. This is a scalping strategy, guys. I scalp. I only scalp. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. I do swing trading rarely. I do day trading sometimes, but most often I am scalping. Okay, so now I took this trade earlier today. I made a first video, so I'm going to continue to tell you why I've taken the next trade. If you see here, let me remove this from the screen. I took this trade here, and I will tell this sell trade. I had to take these two candles here, and it gave me massive peep units there. Okay, so what is happening here? Let me explain. Earlier today, I took this first trade here. As you can see here, the market gave us not bad here. Now let's look at the Elliott count. If I go back to the Elliott count, I remember doing the Elliott with you earlier, so I'm going to do the Elliott again. I'm going to do it very quickly. You have here, this will be wave 1 here, this will be wave 1 here, this will be wave 2 here, wave 2, this will be wave 3 here, wave 3 here, this will be wave 4 here, and then you have wave 5 right here, which basically just almost a little bit it takes out the high of wave 3 just a little bit here. Typical of wave 5s, it gets it forms some sort of double top right there. And then you have, after that, according to the Elliott wave theory, you have it right there, you have the B wave, this is it here, you have the B wave right here, and now you have the C wave. But the C wave is a zigzag. It comes down in a zigzag pattern. Okay, in trading, this is what you call a zigzag. Let me quickly illustrate what a zigzag is. So a zigzag looks like this: 1, 2, and then 3. That's basically that's what you call a zigzag in trading. So this is a zigzag. Okay, so this wave C here is a zigzag. Okay, so I'm going to zoom into it. So now that I know the Elliott wave count, I've been able to identify what I call market anatomy, market structure. Before I start looking at anything, I've identified market anatomy. Then I can now move in. I zoom in. So let's now zoom in. We've seen market anatomy. So we know that the market wants to go down. We zoom in. Now, if you look at the RSI very quickly here, the RSI already tells us something. Let me bring up the RSI. I don't like to leave the indicator on my chart unless I need it. I'll put it on, we'll take a look, and then I'll put it off. You can see here the divergence. If you see here, this high here, from this high to this other high, so I'm going to bold this, make it very bold, and change the color so that you will see what I'm saying. Let's use the yellow color. So you see that from this high here to this high here, price was rising, the market was rising. But on the indicator, on the oscillator, price is dropping here. This tells you that the market is indicating that it wants to take a dive, it wants to take a sell. This is called bearish divergence. Okay, this is regular divergence. All right, now, having seen the regular divergence, the market also is already showing some sort of hidden bullish divergence here, as you can see. But I will not be talking on that now. That's not the object of my video. As you can see here, price is going down here, and on the oscillator it's forming a lower lows, but on the price chart it's forming higher lows. That's hidden bearish divergence, but it's not confirmed yet. Now basically you can see, let's zoom into this wave 3 or this wave C here. So this is wave C. As you can see, the zigzag I showed you, this is a zigzag. You have 1, 2, and 3. So when it started coming down here, what did I do? The first thing is I watched the market. I don't get in. These two spinning tops here indicated the reversal, but I don't usually just dive in for the trade. This candle here and this one formed what we call a harami top, and basically the harami shows the end of this uptrend. But that doesn't move me. I don't take a trade. So it comes down, I keep watching it. I don't really take a trade. When I'm trading wave C, I'm trading wave 3 of wave C, which means that I want wave C to pull back before I take the third wave. Now, when wave C started forming this pattern, this sideways move here, you look at this cluster of candles here, they are sideways candles. And they are sideways candles. But one thing you can notice from these candles here is that they form a pattern called a bearish flag. Now, if I try to draw a flag, let me see if I can draw a flag real quickly there. If I do this, you see that it looks like I'm going to do this, and I'm going to take another line and do that, and take another line and do something like this, and hopefully this should look like a flag. The flag can also look instead of the flag looking that, the flag can also look something like this. So basically, the flag, let me move this a little bit away from here and modify this a little bit, so the flag can also look something like this. Good. So there you go, you have a flag. So this is the kind of flag you have here. This is what they call the bearish flag. For the bullish flag, it either looks something like this. You quickly this here, you have the bullish flag, or the bullish flag could also look something like this. And if I put this here, put this right here, and I try to form the bullish flag. Okay, so that's basically how the bullish flag looks like. So here you can see the flag pattern. So when I saw the flag pattern, I decided to use I drew my trend lines. I drew my trend lines, as you can see, this trend line and this trend line, to enclose the flag. Now I was waiting for the pattern to break below the flag. Now here again, I drew another minor trend. Now notice that there are always trends inside trends. So while this is a pullback, while this is, so you have the major trend. This is the major trend coming down. You have the minor trend, which is the correction, and inside the correction you have another little, this one here, I can call it the mini trend. So you have trends inside trends inside trends. So when I saw this one coming down, I put my channel like this. It formed this following channel around this trend. Now I saw 3 spinning tops. These little body candles are called spinning tops. You have 1, 2, and 3, showing a strong rejection from the top. When these candles are at the top of a trend like this trend is considered a pullback or a slight uptrend. It's a corrective move. So these candles, therefore, in this case, are called shooting stars. I saw the shooting star and this one around here. It confirmed to me that the market wanted to fall deep. This was a strong sell. This was a strong sell. But then I had this area here, this bottom here, which had also formed a resistance here. So I put this dotted line at this bottom here, and I was just waiting. So once the market broke through this first trend, this first channel here, let me change the channel to blue. So that's how I trade this. I wait for the market to break below this first channel. When it breaks below this first channel, it now enters this area here with this other channel. Let me now draw this other channel. I'll change the color to, I don't know, purple, so that you can see clearly. So I've changed this other channel here to purple. I'm going to make it bigger so you can see that the channels I'm talking about are different. Okay, I've made this one bolder and thicker, so you can see this channel here is different. It's a different channel entirely. So I had this major channel here and another small channel. So I was waiting for price to pop out of the small channel first and then break the major channel. Once that happened, I immediately took my entry here. I took my sell here, and as a scalper, I take my sell here, and I'm targeting a few pips. So I took these 2 candles and I exited the trade. You can do this repeatedly the whole day. You can have hundreds of entries. There's just every opportunity in this market. There are a lot of them. You actually get tired of them. At some point, I tell myself, okay, you know what? I'm done for the day. But again, I see the market just giving me another signal again and again. And I was like, I just want to get in. But anyway, you need to get some discipline as a trader to say, okay, that's enough trading for one day. I'm not going to continue. Okay, so now, like I said, this market here is going up. This should be wave 4 of this. This should be wave 4 of this C. So C has 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice that wave 4 is now a diagonal. Wave 4 is a sharp wave because wave 2 was a sideways. So when wave 2 is a sideways, wave 4 cannot be a sideways. Wave 4 would be a sharp wave. And you see wave 4 is obeying the rules of Elliott. Wave 4 is not entering into the price area of wave 1 right here. So this is 1, this is 1. Let me take off this here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, wave 4, and after wave 4 you would have a wave 5, and that will be the end of wave C, and a new trend will begin. So basically the markets obey some laws, and those laws will always hold true. So, and this buy here has already been indicated by this hidden bullish divergence which we see down here. We see the price here is showing that, okay. And I wanted to show you a little bit of how I took the entry and encourage you to keep watching videos here, and I'm going to show you the secrets of scalping. The markets are not a mystery. Anybody can trade. You don't have to have a PhD. You just simply have to follow the right guy. Follow the person who has put in the work to know what's going on. And I'm going to lead you to making huge profits. Okay, tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Please like this video and give us a thumbs up. And then give us a comment so that it also helps with the YouTube algorithm.